Equipter RB2000. The latest invention that we're going to show you today is designed to help construction brigades work easier and faster. Equipter RB2000 is a mobile and maneuverable waste container. It's not a secret that during construction and renovation works, a huge amount of waste is generated. It's often located in hard-to-reach places where a truck cannot pass. It is in such situations that this vehicle comes in handy. It's not just capable of driving in narrow areas. Take a look at how the container rises, so that, for example, you can dump the garbage from the roof into it. The capacity of the bin is approximately 0.88 cubic meters, and the maximum weight it can handle is 680 kilograms.